Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock options journey trade recap. And today, January the 2nd of 2024, I am so excited to bring you this year's first recap. Now, as we established early on today, the two levels that we would be looking at and be interested in was the 472.8 above that, and then the 471.2 below that. Now, guys, what I would like to do now is go ahead and insert a clip from this morning's live video feed where I actually called out the call and actually called out the put prior to it happening. I even identified the area on the chart with an arrow, as you will see in this live clip from this morning's show, as I will insert it here. Stock price does reach the 472.7. These potential early morning bears can get squeezed. If it wants to go up, if you want to get a call, wait for this area above the 472.8 as these bears will get squeezed, and then it gives you a nice push on this 30-minute candle. But we want to close below pre-market low and then a continuation candle. The easy money is here, going up, here, coming down. Now, the morning show runs from 9:25 to 11. So typically at 11 o'clock, we go ahead and call out what the plays are, set our alarms, so that way members and teammates, rather, can go ahead and execute those plays if and when those plays present themselves and come available. Now, I stepped away and I said that I would generally come back around 1 o'clock. Now, you would not believe this, but as soon as I stepped away, my alarm went off for this 472.8 area, and there was money to be made in this 5-minute candle, as well as taking it to the 473.6 area, which I also called out earlier as my target for the call. Just to share my plans, got a 471 call. I'd like to take that to the 473.6. I have a 472 put. I'd like to see that go to the 470. Now, when I did come back close to the 1 o'clock area, as I missed this one, I knew that this is where my exit for the call would be. So I then flipped the script and looked for a great put opportunity, and it became available with a shooting star out of resistance. As soon as the stock started trading below the shooting star, I got in and was very successful in trading that for a beautiful amount of money and made profit within that 5-minute candle. I could only wish and I could only hope that I had held it a little bit longer, at least to see if that resistance would now act as support, or at least to hold it towards VWAP. But that was the first day of the year jitters. That will not happen again. But lo and behold, the second play that we called out did manifest itself by the way of the put of the 471.2 finally late in the afternoon, and we did have a very nice continuation candle for you to make some very good profits if you are around to take that trade as well. Thank you for joining us. We do this every morning from 9:25 to 11. You're more than welcome to join us and pass the information along to anyone else who might be interested in learning how to trade options. We narrow it down by only using one particular ticker, which is the S&P 500, otherwise known as the SPY. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. Thank you for coming out. God bless you. Goodbye.